The charges are tied to 7 of the 10 firearms found by the RCMP in Gerald Stanley's farmhouse and shop, but not the gun that killed Colton Boushie. A legal expert I spoke with says the pistol that caused Boushie's death was likely in use when police arrived, so they may not have been able to prove how it was stored.
In order to be charged with storing a gun improperly, you have to store it. That is, you have to put it away for something longer than just momentarily setting it aside. You have to actually have stored it and done so inappropriately.
Stanley was charged with second-degree murder. A jury found him not guilty last month after he argued that his gun accidentally went off. The Crown says it won't appeal, but experts say it's important to separate that trial from Stanley's other charges.
These are completely separate. That's behind Mr. Stanley. It would be a mistake to try to punish him in any way for what possibly some members of the public think ought to have been the verdict.
Still, some people want to make that link. Prime Minister Justin Trudeau addressed the need to make changes when he visited Saskatchewan earlier this month.
It is impossible to recognize that we have not failed Indigenous peoples in the administration of justice in this country, and that is why we are pledging to do better. To recognize these challenges is the first step, but then to move forward, as we will in the coming weeks, on concrete measures to improve outcomes within our justice system.
It's unclear how long Stanley's latest legal battle will last, or if he will even show up to court next week. Either way, Boushie's supporters say they plan to be there. Olivia Stefanovic, CBC News, Regina.